Hey guys, Brendan from TAT. Just about to fit up an EGR cooler to this BT50. So this is the PK Ranger style BT50. Really common failure, really common job. I'm sure a lot of us have done them. What I want to talk about is ADRAD. So they have a range of EGR coolers out now, and this is a great example of using a bit of that Australian manufacturing ingenuity and design to come up with some solutions that are better than the OE. So the things that you'll notice that are different on this specific one with the ADRAD offering they've got, while these can fail internally, I've definitely seen my fair share of external failures as well. So particularly on this exhaust pipe section. So you'll notice on the original, it is prone to cracking around this junction, whereas we have a bellows style on this one to give a bit of flex to it to prevent that. Just the same, it might seem like a simple solution, but it's effective. They can crack on this other outlet, and all we've done is put a couple of brackets on this section here to give that a bit of support as well. So it's definitely worth a look at these ADRAD EGR coolers. They've got plenty in the range there to cover a wide range of vehicles. Definitely not seeing any shortage of EGR coolers. Going into your late model stuff, we're seeing plenty through, say, the 1GD Hiluxes, on the VW Amaroks. Take a look at the range and you'll be sure to find something there. Quality products that can fit that often try to solve some of the OE shortcomings that the accountants have maybe put on them in these EGR coolers. Nice little things that you'll often find. They will give you gaskets as well, so just little things like that that help make your job easier. Definitely worth a look at. Thanks guys.